this weekend, having never sold anything online before. I feel like I can actually get started and do it. Yeah, I've got heaps of ideas. I've got a list about as long as my forearm. Anyone who hasn't had any experience selling online, anyone who's looking for ideas about selling online, anyone who's done some selling online but wants to take it to the next level, the guys seem to cover everything. I'm super impressed with Alex. He seems like a very successful man who has had great success in the past, knows what he's on about, has been in this industry for quite a long time, has the runs on the board, and is a very approachable guy. So all those things are fantastic. Anyone who hasn't had any experience selling online, anyone who's looking for ideas about selling online, anyone who's done some selling online but wants to take it to the next level, the guys seem to cover everything.